Before starting the video, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So our today's topic is very interesting and informative, and that is countries which are managing plastic assembly are trials towards zero waste. Before the country's view, let's have an overview regarding plastic. What happens to plastic after you drop it in a recycling bin? Mass production of plastics, which began just 6 decades ago. This has fastered so rapidly that it has created 8.3 billion metric tons. If we combine it, will make uncountable mountains larger than Mount Everest. 6.3 million metric tons has become plastic waste. Of that, only 9% have been recycled. If current trends continue, by 2050 there will be 12 billion metric tons of plastic in landfills. Different countries use different methods for the recycling of plastic. All these factors depend upon the height of patriotism, availability of the resources, and the most important thing is the intellectual minds. So, let's get started knowing how plastic is recycled. In the first step, all the plastic is collected and sent to the recycling plants, where every kind of plastic is separated from other kinds. For example, the PET plastic bottles are separated from the polyvinyl chloride or PVC plastic rods. It's hard to recycle the plastic bottle and it requires more resources. But once the plastic has been recycled, it may be turned into fabrics, bags, and many other clothing types. If it is possible to recycle the plastic, then why all the plastic is not recycled? The point here is that not all the plastic are recyclable like plastic bags, straws, and coffee cups. But all this is made possible by the following countries. Scotland. You people will be amazed to know that a single bag of snacks takes 500 years to disappear. The man named Toby MC Carney from Scotland created the idea to make roads using plastic. According to him, this can solve two problems. The first one is the poor conditioning of the roads, and the second one is the management of plastic. They use plastic mix with the asphalt mix, which creates stronger, harder, and long-lasting roads. Singapore. Singapore, which is considered as the smallest country, have managed the plastic. Singapore collects all the plastic waste, send them into the plants with temperature higher than 1000 degrees Celsius, which worked for the whole years. But are you thinking that this will cause the environmental pollution? And the answer is no. They convert the smoke rise from the plant into an environment-friendly smoke because of incineration system fit in the chimneys, and the ashes are converted into the useful method, one of which is driving the electricity in houses. San Francisco. In the race of all these countries, San Francisco is also becoming one of the zero-waste countries. They are also using the incineration plants to recycle the plastic and convert them into the fertilizers. They have a special piping system which converts harmful gases into the friendly gases. Japan. Japan's small town Kamikaze produces almost no trash. Each element of the waste in this small town is converted into useful material. But how is it possible? Then the reality is that every citizen is participating. They separate the plastic they use according to its type, which is collected by the plants where it is recycled. In almost all the popular countries, waste is managed effectively. Then why not all the countries are doing so? If they start all this at lower level, believe it will benefit more than with passage of time. It is also the responsibility of the citizen to take care at their own level. because small changes lead towards big changes. That's all from our today's video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.